So what makes a Timken hub stronger? The Timken name. It means quality, the kind of quality you deserve. If our name is on it, then you can trust it, period. That's why the world's most demanding applications, from passenger aircraft to performance racing to heavy trucks, put their confidence in our quality. And so can you. Because the engineering and manufacturing know-how we put in those products is the same expertise we put into our hubs. For us, quality is more than just a word. It's who we are. It's in our DNA. That means we put more into our hubs so you get more out of them. And it's more than just a few spot checks. It's extreme levels of quality control and testing that others don't match. At Timken, quality is a complete approach that starts with experience and know-how. We're a bearing company, and we know how to engineer and manufacture bearings and hub assemblies. We know product design and material science. We know manufacturing and testing. We know the right way to make products. And we know wheel ends because we've worked with automakers for over 100 years to design and develop driveline systems. Then we validate everything about every hub with extreme quality control standards. First, we audit and validate every component supplier and sub-supplier, including all of their manufacturing and finishing processes, with ongoing monitoring and control. Then, we conduct metallurgical testing for steel strength and durability, including material composition, cleanliness, and heat treat. Next, our hubs have to pass strict testing for durability, fatigue, flange runout, stud twist off and push out, seal durability and performance, bearing durability, bearing life, ABS sensor output, and reliability. Then, every hub goes through a final visual and functional inspection to make sure it's ready for your vehicle. Yeah, you might pay a little more, but when you pull that new Timken hub out of the box, do so with confidence, knowing it's tested, proven, and will operate the way it should, consistently, and at least twice as long as economy hubs. That's what makes a Timken hub stronger, and that's performance that's worth it. Tested, proven, consistent. Performance that's worth it.